Hello and welcome back to Cooking with Lauralee. I am Lauralee. Today I will be sharing my recent getaway vacation to Mass last week. I wanted to share a sweet and personal time with you all that overwhelmed me with gratefulness. I was able to do all the fall things that I wanted to do, like eating cider donuts, apple donuts, from the Atkins farm with picking a pumpkin, hiking, and more. There will be many ASMR going on with flying sounds, the foliage, and family time. I took a mini vacation after moving around the house and missing a true fall that you get from Massachusetts. There is nothing like a fall up north, and Grandpa kept sending gorgeous pictures from when he went flying. So my husband booked me a flight, and there's just a certain fall smell that you can't get here in Florida as you do in up north. It's been 6 years since I've been home during the fall. I was very grateful to stay with my brother and my cousin. We had a blast, and I got to spend a lot of time with my brother and my mother, which I didn't get to do. Very grateful for this trip. As if taking a little mini getaway vacation was not enough, I had the honor to fly with my father-in-law. I call him Grandpa because that's what my kids call him. And not only was I able to see the foliage fly by myself without my family, which I missed, but I was able to really enjoy the whole experience of a true New England foliage, and everything was just absolutely beautiful. So not only did I see it in person, not only did I hike up the mountain to see it from up above, but my father-in-law also took me on a flight as he is a certified pilot and allowed me to see it from above. Not only did I see it from up above, but he allowed me to be in the pilot's chair and take off the plane. I've never done that. I've flown with him in the past. He allowed me to take the plane off. So that was super exciting. I've never done that before. And I encourage anyone to try to take a little mini flight like this with someone you trust in the future. It was a lot of just beautiful foliage, beautiful scenery, and I was so grateful for this opportunity. My father-in-law is a certified flight instructor, been a pilot for 48 years, and he has been married for 50 years. He has 3 children and 8 grandchildren, 4 girls and 4 boys. He is currently in the Civil Air Patrol. He is an Air Force veteran. He is retired but very active in the community as he volunteers at a local church serving meals to other veterans. His passion, you guessed it, flying. And so I will go ahead and link some information down below with his favorite flying poem. He believes, as it refers to one of the poems, that all the minutes up in the air does not count against him. So I think he might have the secret to staying young. Listen, I took this little mini getaway very serious and I was going to climb a mountain. So we did not go through the trails because one of my family members was actually healing from an injury. So we ended up going to Skinner Mountain, took breaks as long as we needed to, and just enjoyed the scenery and was just at peace and very grateful. We were determined to climb this mountain. We were going to climb this mountain one way or the other. Check this out. We were so bad at it.
The afterglow of this daily war. I need so much more than just holy water. The wind is roaring my heavy song. It's been way too long since I almost caught her. Baby, let me lay here a while until the day moves over.
How beautiful this is. Oh my goodness. I'm in heaven right now. Oh, so grateful.
Oh. 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 Oh.
Road. Follow the yellow brick road. Follow the yellow brick tree. Follow. It's almost Oz there, Mommy. Almost at Oz, Dorothy.
And remember to continue to subscribe and share my channel. Thanks so much.